the way they're doing the jobs 10 years ago is not anything like they're doing it today, and in 10 years from now it'll be greatly different as well.
Place is something different. You have an imagination what it is, but until you feel a 1,000-degree billet going by your face, you can't simulate that.
When you think about state-of-the-art manufacturing and latest in technology being integrated into our processes and the way we make steel, coupled with a highly engaged workforce with a skill set capable of making high quality, delivering service on time to our customers, and doing it in a very complex environment.
It's the largest of our two mills, 170-some thousand square feet under roof. Some of the new equipment we put in is as long as a football field. Community partners like the Cleveland Development Advisors, the Finance Fund, they helped us get the new market tax credits. We were able to invest in additional equipment as part of the financial incentives. It also helped make our decision to put this expansion here in Cuyahoga Heights versus someplace else.
When you make that kind of investment, you're in for the long haul. So that means you're investing that you're going to make this product better.
There are employees who work very hard every day with continuous improvement as a core value, looking at how do we do things better today or differently today than we did yesterday.
I like learning, so if I see somebody doing something better, if they see me doing it the hard way, I'm open for suggestions.
This place you can achieve some things, savings, put kids through college, and actually work towards bettering your life.
Our employees have a home for a very long time.
And it feels like the future.